Now move on. I hope ports here is also which one? Port is 80, then target port is 80. Remaining things are optional. I hope observe the code. Everybody understood, right? Same thing only we did yesterday. Is it okay for you?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now control yes, test pod.
Sir, we need to give hyphens. Uh,
Where ma?
Three hyphens.
Where three icons? Please.
After one service, yeah.
Oh, those thing ma. Oh,
And
okay.
news.
Okay, I understood. That is new play.
Yeah.
There is also new play. Hmm. This is good practice. Okay, right. Not escape here. That is not aviator. Control S or file save all. What happened for others, right? So for same thing or other thing, it is asking.
Other one, sir.
Other one cancel.
Just save is enough.
Save is enough. And now just move on to a command prompt. Quickly, now you check it here. Are you able to see test for space? Kubectl apply hyphen here test dot ym. Now see somewhere something going wrong. Test pod SVC error validating data API version not set. Where we didn't set ma? Where we didn't set it is expecting API version not set. Oh, for this see API version for the B1. Control yes. Now once again this is not required here for now. Now move on to here. Up arrow. Now again problem. Check it. Unknown field API VER SION. What was wrong, ma? It is telling unknown field. Unknown field. So here, this is extra thing is there. Is it okay? Control S. What I did, kubectl. Now first I need to check kubectl get nodes. Yes, it is okay. What happened? Kubectl apply hyphen f testpod svc.yml. The restart policy always 29. kubectl get the pods. Nginx pod is running. That is yesterday one. That is 11 minutes ago. Our pod only? No, right? This is not the
Sir,
there. What is
yesterday we have worked in D drive.
D drive, ma?
Yes, sir.
D drive. D drive. Within the
Pod
k8s
demos.
pod. Oh, CD pod. I think there is no such. I think. Shall I check once again in pod demos? CD pod and demos. Yeah. Now you may have here. See pod exam. Now I think it is correct only. What is that? kubectl apply hyphen f pod. Everything is fine. If we see the output, we can see also good. Even I can show you the output. kubectl get SVC, right? How can, what is that? kubectl get SVC service ma. Yeah, service name is nginx SVC. Good. That is load balancer. Load balancer means we can able to see on the outside the scope through a browser. That is also everybody know. Here, really, it will work on the browser or not. How can I check? I said yesterday, right? Aman, tell me the command. kubectl get endpoints. Yes or no?
Endpoints.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Endpoints. See, now here is the endpoint is established. Then only we can able to see the output. Okay, we are going to check the output. We are going to check the output. There, did I do any modification on the code? No, right? 80 only,
No,
right?
no,
Service
sir.
port. Service port
81.
80 only. You change in your screen.
Yes.
Their local host. Yes, you may see the output. Till now clear, right? But unfortunately, what happens? We don't know. Pods are ephemeral, right? kubectl, kubectl, get pods. See, pod is there. kubectl, delete pod. That means nginx hyphen pod. This may happen as you. It's taking time. This is interacting with service. That's why it is taking time. Now deleted, right? I hope this is the right pod. Assume. I think pod name is same only, right? Yes or no? This is our pod only. How can I know? If I refresh it, see what happened? Application down, right? Service
Yes, sir.
down simply. Now what to do? Is there any remedy my here? Maybe I'm asking to you. What is the remedy here? See manual interaction. What is the manual interaction? Once you got a problem, what will you do? Again you go for kubectl get endpoints, get endpoints. See, first you need to check here. See, if your client, if your end user is requesting to you, messaging you, mailing you, application is not running. As a professional, what will you do? You need to check that service having proper endpoints or not. Oh, you understood. Endpoint is not there. Now what to do? Quickly you go for what will you do? You need to rerun. kubectl apply. See, it got applied. After that, you may go and refresh. This is one way, but this is not the right way. Why this is not the right way? The word automation here is there or not? There is no automation, right? Automation means what will happen, ma? Quick response, anyone? Whenever pod dies, whenever pod goes, what it will do? It will recreate the pod. That is the purpose of automation. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes.
We will apply that one. We'll apply that. For applying that one, we're having the terms, there I'm taking control N, controllers. See here, four controllers are there. One is replication controller. Replication controller. Number two is replica set. Replica set. Number three is DAEMON. Demon set. You may call demon set or demon set. Number four is deployment object. Deployment. Deployment. Even fifth one, stateful set also right one. Stateful set. These are the different replication controllers. These are the controllers. Controls. The word they given replica. Replica means it may create multiple instances. See, One pod is nothing but one instance. Here, did I till now I created how many pods? Quick response according to our example. Only one pod.
One.
One.
I want to create more than one pod. I may not have the right to create more than one pod by using our code. If you want to create more and more instances, if you want to create more and more pods, you must use any one service here, any one controller here. Very beginning controller is the replication controller. Which one? Replication controller. What it will do? It will monitor the pod. Very simple, right? It will monitor the pod. It will see the health check of your pod. What is the meaning of health check? See, what doctor will do? Doctor will check the health of your people. In the same way, it will any controller duty is monitoring. To whom it will monitor? Only pod only. Pod health, it will check. Health check of a pod. Health check of pod. And also maintain specific number of instances. If you specify three, it will keep on checking for, hey, do you have three? Do you have three? If any time one goes, what it will do? It will recreate one more. We'll see quickly. We can understand. Now again, where should I go? I'm going to again documentation. I'm not going to even chat GPT. I'm not going to our Copilot. You know it. This is the standard documentation. If you want to become a perfect professional, you must go through documentation only. There are k8s, Kubernetes documentation. For extra things only, you need to enter into those areas. This is good documentation. There, replication controller replication controller they will give full-fledged theory. If time permits, you need to read each and every word. If you are not able to understanding, you need to take English to Telugu version. Maybe that conversion is there, right? You may copy and paste it. They may give some clarification. Even that too not possible. You may try to ask me, sir, so and so area, so and so page, so and so pair. I am not understanding. I'll give one example my way. See, I'm taking this code first. You may understand what happened. Control C. See, in our existing code somewhere is there, right? Is the this one only? Where is this? I hope here only.
No, sir.
Is it okay, right? Now I'm
No,
moving
sir.
to not
Pod
this one.
example.
Odd example. Or else I may go and get it here only. No? See, dir notepad odd example. It will open automatically. Is it okay? Right. Control. Little extra things are there. What are those? See, API version well known statement. I said four sections, right? What is the first section? API version. See, pod also belongs to version 1. Already you know. Service also belongs to which version? V1 only. Or agree with me? Have seen, right?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, replication control also belongs to version 1. Like that, you may remember now. Till now, you know, three services, three resources, or three objects belongs to version 1. One is for pod, another one is for service, third one belongs to replication controller. Good. Kind is replication control. Till now, you know, three kinds. First kind is pod, second kind is service, third kind is replication control. I said in left hand side, first word should be lower, second word should be upper. In the right hand side, each word first letter should be capital. Try to understand here. Kind, replication R capital, controller C capital. You must remember in that way. Here there is no shortcut. At the time of applying on the CLI, there where we need to use shortcut. What is the metadata? Name is whatever the name you can give. See, here is the main thing, man. Within the spec, this spec belongs to whom? Replication controller. Try to understand. Here you may able to see, at least observe. Here one spec is there. Here one more spec is there. At least are you observing? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
Here people may have a doubt. Sir, why we need two specs? This outer spec belongs to replication controller. This inner spec belongs to Podma. At least is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Now, I may give little diagram, you may understand. See, till yesterday I explained like this. All of you, I said this is the pod. Yesterday I said this is the this is the container. I said, you know, within the container, maybe application is there or our NGNS. You have seen like this only. I explained like this. Till now, you know. Then service already we worked, I explained, leave that one. Today, what extra thing we need to understand in the sense, this one we are understanding. Now see one more layer. One more layer. What is the outer layer here? What is the outer layer here? I am writing here the outer layer. First I am giving arrows now. This is one arrow. This is another arrow. This is one more arrow. You know the meanings I am giving. And now quickly guide me. What does it mean? This is
Replication.
replication. Simply I am
Con-
writing RC. Replication controller. What is this keyword?
Pod.
Pod. What is this? Content.
Con-
Is it okay for you? Content. Now try to understand who will handle whom. Replication controller can handle pod. Pod can handle container. Are you agree with me? See, RC contain pod contain container. Is there any difficulty? Anyone?
no, sir.
No. Replication control. What is the duty of RC? RC can monitoring whose information? Pod information. But in reality, how I am enhancing in the sense, see, again this is RC, again this is RC. In this RC, I may try to create pod 1, pod 2, pod 3. That means by using pod, how many pods I can create? Generally by using pod, 5 pod, only one mark. But by using RC concept, I can able to create multiple pods. Yes or no? Is it
Yes,
okay
sir.
for you? Only controllers can handle multiple instances. This is the simple statement. Multiple instance. More than one instance means what? More than one pod. Try to understand. More than one pod. Till now, graphically clear, right? Graphically clear. Each pod contain maybe one container, maybe multiple containers. This is also well-known story. Moving to here. Now check it here. Replicas. If you don't specify this line, how many pods will create? Even though replication controller, if default means how many?
One.
One. That's all. Got it? If you specify, even for one also you can specify, but no need. By default, it will take care. Anyway, we are stick on to three. Now see selector. See here also selector is there. Why selector is there? I said right. Selector is searching for whom? Respond. Yesterday we discussed it. Selector
Label.
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 Selector key value must match with label key value. Check it. Is it matching or not? This one and this one is matching or not? Then
Matching,
only
sir.
it will communicate. Otherwise, no communication. If no communication means we may not see the output. Till now, any difficulty here? Now specification containers name is nginx, name is, maybe you may confuse, maybe I may give C1 only for your clarity. Image is nginx. What are the ports? Container port. See in this area, whatever is there in the pod, same thing is there or any other thing is there? First respond.
Same things.
Same thing. But something enhanced. What is enhanced? Templates. Templates. Are you understanding ma? Templates.
Yes.
See, generally pod specification should be written in template section only. Try to understand. Wherever the word template, I hope you know the meaning of template. Anyone quickly tell me what is the meaning of template? I think, I hope I given maybe day one. Ready-made component, ready to use component. Ready-made component, ready to use component. This is one ready-made component for which purpose, which area, which section belongs to part section. Belongs to part section. Is it okay for you? I am giving the areas. Which area purpose is which purpose we are going to use specific area. Otherwise, you may confuse, right? Why we need template? Why we need template? Template, wherever template is there, in that area, what we are going to specify regarding
Part.
part. That is the thing you need to understand. Till now clear? This is not required. Why this is not required? Already we mentioned, right? That's why no need of this. That's why no need of this. See, up to this already there within the templates section. Now this one we written in Verma within the specification, within the same spec, just like copy paste. Now this is optional. Is it okay for you? Is there any difference here? Quick observation. Now I am taking two areas. Their name observe. There, this is NGNX for your easy understanding. RC. RC represents replication control. Shall I try to test it? Control yes, control yes, alt tab. Now up arrow. What happened? kubectl apply. See now check it ma. Something little bit changed, right? Service is unchanged. What does it mean? I didn't touch service. Whatever existing is running as it is running. See, just I modified for nginx rc created very first time. Shall we check once again? How can I check? kubectl get rc ma. See, try to understand. Here the first column name is there, well-known name, desired 3, current 3, ready 3, and age 25 seconds ago it got created. Here any new words are there? Any unknown words are there? Is it easy to understand or not? But desired means మనం ఏదైతే expected or understanding. We expected how many we expected? 3.
3.
What is the current? 3. మనం అనుకున్నది 3, ఉన్నది 3. మ్యాచ్ అయిపోయిందా లేదా? ఈవెన్ రెడీ ఆల్సో 3. Good. Now kubectl get parts. Check it. How many parts are running?
3.
This is the name little bit difference, right? Because of old one also same. If I delete everything, if I recreate, you may get even see kubectl delete all hyphen all. What will happen? See, I deleted, right? After deleting, if I go for kubectl get parts, what happens? No resource found in default namespace. Default namespace. Up arrow. What happened? No resource, right? Which namespace we created? In this namespace only, right? Now kubectl get parts. Now 3 parts are running. Is it okay for you at least? Container creating. Names are matching, right? You need to see like this. nginx-rc. Now first one is running, right? What I am going to do? kubectl delete pod. Name of the pod. What is the name of the pod? Yes. Copy it and paste it. Once it is deleted, if I go and apply once again, it wants to recreate ma. Check it. See the name. Previous one is deleted one is double F5. Are you able to see same thing here?
No, sir.
Even see the age. This is 45 seconds ago. This is very new one. This is very new one. Is it okay for you? What
Yes, sir.
happened here? Automation is happening or not? Now here
Yes,
the
sir.
what is the advantage? What is the advantage here? Again, I may show you on the screen, output screen. First, we may go for the browser. I think here, right? Refresh. Output is visible, right? I may check another way also. Maybe last time what I did, I deleted everything, right? Even kubectl, delete, delete, kubectl, delete, delete parts, hyphen all.
Sir, actually, we didn't give the L letters.
Where brother?
Use
Where,
CTL.
spell mistake? Kubectl. L is missing. Okay. Now I deleted three parts. After deleting, our intention is it must recreate, right? That is our intention. That purpose only we use which one? Controller. Now kubectl get parts. Is it recreated? Check it.
Yes.
See the
Yes,
age
sir.
here. See the age. That is the important thing. Otherwise, no use of controller. Now refresh it. See how much downtime in the sense zero downtime. Why we are telling zero downtime? In reality, no one can delete all the parts, but in our case, we are deleting. Are you understanding or not? What it will happen in the real time, I am going to show you in the mesh paint. Now, just according to real time, if you go for understanding, see, this is the cluster. This is the cluster. This cluster having master node. Yes, this is the master node. Here, worker 1. Here is worker 2. Like that, assume we are considering four workers now. Four workers. But in our scenario, this master is interacting with all the workers based on the resource capacity, pods will create. See, according to our scenario, assume how many pods are created, ma? Quick response, three pods. Here assume according to replication controller, pod one created, here one more pod created, here one more pod created. Assume node 1 is having one pod, node 2 is having one pod, node 3 is having one pod. Suddenly, unfortunately, what happens in the sense this node got failed. This not podma, node got failed. What it may happen? Guess it, anyone? Whenever node got failed, whenever node got failed in the node, kubelet may be there, ma. Kubelet. What is the word, ma? Kubelet. We'll discuss those things also. Maybe tomorrow class I'll explain because of based on the context I'll explain. Kubelet. Kubelet will identify because of what is the duty of kubelet? See, whenever node failing, at the time of failing, kubelet quickly intimating to API server. Hey, API server, node is not able to run. That is the node agent, ma. That is the node agent. See, one king is there. King is having one minister. Any problem are able to get for the king. Who will take care? Minister will take care. Are you agree with me? అంతే కదండి రాజు
Yes, sir.
రాజ్యం మినిస్టర్ రాజుకు ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే మినిస్టర్ ఊరుకుంటాడండి he will take some action, right? In the same way, In the same way, kubelet will recognize intimating to API server. API server will go and intimate to scheduler. Hey scheduler, I think something going wrong in that node 1. What will you do? You need to reschedule. See the word scheduled, unscheduled. I think terms are clear, right? Scheduled means how many parts are created? 3. Suppose one node fails. Assume that node is having one part. That part also may fail, right? Are you agree with me? Scheduler controller will feel, oh, one is down, right? What shall I do? Either I need to recreate or I need to, according to our scenario, it won't recreate it will take this. Whenever it is feels it is failing, control X, control V, somewhere where is the control V? I think control V. Okay, control Z I am taking. I think here I need to see actually somewhere it is there control V. Now control V not getting, Okay, anyway, leave it. Something there I removed, right? Where I may get, please respond. In the other, wherever place is there, there I will get. Who is taking care of all these things? One is API server is taking care. Today we are at least we are using the words What is the first one? What is the first one I used? Which one I used here? I removed kubelet,
Kubelet.
right? Kubelet,
Kubelet. Kubelet.
kubelet, kubelet. Then API server. Then
Scheduler.
SCHEDU scheduler. Next one is control. Controller. A controller duty is to maintain specific number of parts. Are you agree with me? What is the specific number? What is the number I specified here? Always it
3.
will maintain how many? 3. Consistency, health check, and it maintain consistent number of instances. What is the duty of scheduler? It will maintain two things. One is scheduled, second one is unscheduled. Suppose two got created, two got scheduled, one got not created, it will understand, oh, for one, there is no space. What shall I do? Where should I create? It will taken care of. What is the duty of API server, ma? API server is the front controller, ma. Front office counselor. I think institutions front office counselor duty. She will teach any subject, ma. No. But what she will do? She will explain maybe what is the subject, what is the course time, what is the fees, those things she will explain. Or agree with me? In the same way, API server is going to interact with scheduler, is going to interact with controller, is going to interact with kubelet, even is going to interact with kube proxy also. Kube proxy. Kube proxy. Kube proxy will maintain a network. Network. See, somewhere we use a service type load balancer, right? Or agree with me? Yes or no? Did I use it or not? Service type type colon load balancer. Whenever
Yes,
if
sir.
you use service type load balancer, here, see, it is giving expose, expose to outside or outside the scope. Outside the scope. What Q proxy will provide? Oh, he said load balancer, right? For that, what shall I do? I'll give access to out of the scope. Who will take care of? Q proxy will take. Now, Q proxy duty is provide IP, provide IP to pod, IP to pod, and also maintain a network. A network means communication. It will maintain communication. We'll see slowly. I'm giving main words. Is it okay for you? Till now clear, ma? What is the power of replication controller? It will maintain specified number of pods. If any pod goes down, what it will do? It will recreate within a second. Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
But nowadays, industry people replication controller they are not using. They are not using. They are using replica set. They are using replica set. Here also I am writing the code replica set. Replica set. See, what is the replica set? Is the next generation, next generation replication controller. See, replication controller is there. Some additional features they added to whom? Replication controller. They introduced a new name that is the replica set. That is the replica set. Is it okay for you? What is the definition of replica set? The next generation, the next generation replication controller is the replica set. Is it okay for you? I think definition is clear or not? The next generation replication controller is the replica set. Till now clear, ma? I am
Yeah.
going to
Yes, sir.
introduce replica set. Replica set. First, we have a doubt. What is the small difference between replication controller and replica set? In that way, we'll discuss first one or two points. There, I am going to give here the difference between, see, replication controller. Here is the replica set. Replica set. See, replication controller will support labels and selectors. Have you seen, right? Labels and selectors. Yes or no, ma? Have you seen labels and selectors in replication
Yes, sir.
controller? Okay. Same replica set also will support labels, labels and selectors and also match labels, match labels and match expressions. Match expressions. Match labels and match expressions. That is the extra term who is supporting replica set. Is it okay for you? Only replication control supports labels and selectors, but replica set not only labels and selectors, but also match labels and match expressions. We'll see that too also. See, this is the equality, equality based operators. What is the equality based operators? Single equal to, double equal to, double equal to, even double equal to, and not equal to. It will support only similar category. This is the equality based operators. Here it will support in operator, in operator, not in operator, not in operator, in, not in, and exist, exist, and not exist. See, what does it mean? Here only one. Like I am comparing with you only. I'm not comparing with multiple people. That means this will support for only single operator. Here, multiple operators. If you want to understand clearly, I'll show you in other maybe Oracle that area. You can easily understand that one. Maybe quickly I may show you the difference between equality based selectors and this is other thing maybe this is the set based selectors. Try to understand set based selector. Maybe quickly I'm going to show you because of you want to get the clarity. Windows key or SQL plus What? SQL is not there? Okay. Maybe operating system I changed. There is no SQL here. Okay. Once SQL. Maybe tomorrow session I'll show you that thing. What is the small difference? Or else I may write a simple query on the notepad. Windows key or notepad. See, select star from maybe EMP where DEPTNO is equal to 10. This is what ma equality based selector. Are you understanding why I am telling equality based selector? That I use equal to sign, right? See, how can I understand set based selector? See, select star from EMP where DEPTNO in 10, 20, 30. Are you understanding the difference? What is the difference here, ma? It will check for in the first statement only for 10. A such data is there, I can able to show you. But what it will do here in the second scenario, it will search for not only 10, but also, hello,
20, 30, sir.
10.
20, 30. My here meaning is data is in 10, okay, get it. Data in 20, is it get it. Data is not there in 30, it won't get. Suppose same statement, if I want to write an equality basis selector, OR DEPTNO is equal to 20, OR DEPTNO is equal to 30. Same. In equality based also, we can do it. But statement length is increasing or not? Observe and tell me.
Yes.
To reducing the statement length, that's why only they introduce which one? Set based selectors, set based operators. Is it okay for you? In operator, see, simply I'm going to use not in. What does it mean? In my database table, 10 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, 40 is there, assume. What is the output I may get here? Not in, right?
40.
40 relevant data. See, I want to mention here Fatima. How can I mention? Please respond here. Very complex, right? I may not tell not 10, I may not tell not 20, I may not tell not 30. That's why here modifications are very difficult in replication controller. Modifications are very easy in replica set. See, for end user, for developer, the end user very, very, very easiest ways to he can implement very easiest way by using replica set. Replica set is simplified. Replication control is little difficult, but replication controller is good. But compared to replication controller, replica set is very, very simplest one, easiest one. Now I am going to introduce one example. Now again, where is the documentation? Here I am going to document their replica set. Replica set. Thanks. Click on here. You may be able to see ma. A replica set purpose is to maintain a stable set of replica pods running at any given time. You know the meaning, right? Already explained, right? Stable set means you set three. What replica set will do? It will keep on maintaining three pods. Usually, you define a deployment and let the deployment manage replica set automatically. Till now, you don't no need of usually after that. Just try to stick on to first statement mark because of till now we don't know deployment as well. How a replica set works? Now leave this. Go for see. Very little bit modification is there. What is the little bit modification? Have you first recognized, man? I think compare with the replication control and replica set. Very first line in replica set, API version colon what for user ma? Anyone have you? I said somewhere version replication control belongs to which version? Quick response.
V1.
V1. Here what is the version here? Observe
V1.
app/v1. That is the next version. apps slash v1. Have you seen here? Something they
Yes.
changed, right?
Yes.
This is the next version. Or else think first generation, this is the second generation. Little bit modification happen or not? Try to, I'm giving the small differences. Second, their kind is replication controller. Here, what is the kind? Replica set. What is the third one? Third one. Try to understand. Here, labels is there. Generally, there we use one label, ma. Here we can use multiple things. I said in operator, right? Yes or no? In will consider multiple. We can apply multiple things for easier purpose. See, my name is Lakshmi, maybe Pati, or maybe something. Suppose I am having some alias names. People may call very easily, right? Short names, ma. Like that, we can work with. See, this application, which purpose we are going to write? For front end. Some applications we may write for which purpose? Back end. We can easily mention. See, end user or maybe programmer can easily understand, right? With which purpose we written? We are giving more information to them. Now spec, this is common. Selector is also common. Here observe. In previous replication controller, after the selector, you have seen which one quick response? After selector, you have seen only key value. Are you agree with me? Or shall I show you once again? See now. In our in our code, see where see after selector. See here within the replication controller. After selector, what it is there? Key value. Which key value, ma? This belongs to labels key value only, right? Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Selector
Yes, sir.
searching for labels key value. Is there any difficulty? No. But a little modification happens. What is the little modification? Match labels. Match labels. See, here what is the labels here? Fire, colon front end. Here also I am checking for, hey, matching labels. I am matching. See, user friendly names they given. What is the user friendly name? Selector is going to searching for whom labels, for that even that too it will match. Matching or not? Tire colon. What they given?
Front end.
Front. See, maybe Vishwa, I don't know your name. I'm guessing. Your name is maybe Mohan. Your name is Ramesh. Your name is like that. Maybe randomly I may say sometime, I may not say. Like that, it is checking for match labels. The heading is meaningful, right? At least are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
See, this is for which purpose? Oh, matching for labels. Whatever it is there in the label section, same look and feel is there or not. Then only it will correct. At least in our context, you try to understand in that way. Now I said somewhere template section. Template section belongs to whom? What related information? I said right. What relevant information? Metadata is there. This is nothing but labels. What does it mean? Pod relevant labels. Here also tire what it is there. Are you understanding? See,
Yes, sir.
wherever labels is there, tire colon front end is there. Here also tire colon front end is there. Here also tire colon front end is there. Everything is matching. Are you agree with me? And also spec containers. This is the name. This is the name. Same thing. We'll try to convert according to our way. What is the our way? Simple modification, quick response here. App. What is the version here? Tell me. App.
Apps.
App. Apps are app. Ma?
Apps, sir.
See, apps. Correct only, right? Next. In place of replication controller, quick response, replica set. Good. This is also RS. Now remaining is common. Selector. After selector, what I need to write? See, match.
Match labels.
Labels. Leave it. App colon nginx. Now template. Remaining things are common. Now everything is common. There is no difference. Till now clear, right? Now shall we go for a try to apply it? Now control yes. kubectl, kubectl, delete all hyphen all. Spelling mistake, kubectl, kubectl, all hyphen all. Now apply this one only. Something wrong. Where is wrong, ma? Replica set in version v1. Somewhere it is telling cannot be handled as a replica set. I think it is copied properly or not, saved or not. Selector colon
Saving,
app, unknown field spec colon selector colon app. Some terms got changed, ma. Where it is changed, I'll observe first. Their selector colon, match labels colon. Okay, good only. Searching for one. This is our right area only, right? Match labels. Ma, here observe, ma. There we need to give two spaces. Yes or no? Control yes. Indentation is, I think again it is giving. Replica set in cannot be handled as. Somewhere again it is telling. APA version. Oh, this is the extra thing I written, right? Observe. Control yes. Is it okay for you? Purpose is same. kubectl get RC replica set, right? For replication controller RC. For replica set RS. Same procedure. kubectl get pods. How many pods? 3 pods on. Same. Output also you can able to see same. Okay. Till now, have you understood, right? I'm enhance remaining things. Maybe match labels are there, right? How to use, where it is very useful. We'll see in the tomorrow class. Still, anybody facing difficulty ask me, or else we are winding the session. Remaining things we'll
Sir,
discuss tomorrow morning.
hello.
Sir, sir,
Ah,
Sir,
I have stuck somewhere. Can I share my screen?
yeah, share it.
Signal? Yeah.
Share it. Others observe. I hope Hemant is talking, right?
sir, one more doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, for supper and by mistakenly type name you అంటే సేమ్ నేమ్ టైర్స్ కి అంటే డిఫరెంట్ టైర్స్ కి ఇస్తే అప్పుడు ఎలా సార్?
Same name in the sense, tell me.
లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ అనేసి ఉంది కదా టైప్ నేమ్,
Hmm.
అలానే డిఫరెంట్ ఫైల్స్ కి అలా ఇస్తే
ఇవ్వచ్చు విశ్వ, అందుకే మనం నేమ్ స్పేస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కాలేదనుకుంటా కదా.
అంటే నేను సార్
అయ్యారా, దాంట్లో
అంటే
నేమ్ స్పేస్ అనే మాట మాట్లాడడం గుర్తుందా మీకు? నేమ్
yes, sir.
స్పేస్ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే
అంటే
ఒక్క
బై మిస్టేక్లీ అంటే కావాలనే కాదు సార్, అంటే బై మిస్టేక్లీ అంటే టైప్ అవ్వచ్చు అలా అప్పుడు.
అలా మళ్ళీ మాడిఫై చేయొచ్చు కదా, ఎడిట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా మనము.
ఓకే,
చాలా ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ నేను అంత దూరం పోలా మీకు. సి
ఓకే,
ఐ మే షో యూ క్విక్లీ. I think see, assume here kubectl get SVC, right? Service. Our service, our nginx service. At least are you able to see? అందులో ఏదో సంథింగ్ మాడిఫై చేసేసారు. మేబీ యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేసి తెలుసా? kubectl edit their SVC nginx service servac. See, there you can enter and you can change. Already this is the running application lo. See, satellite is already moving. We can't stop and repair. Are you agree with me at least?
yes,
Satellite is rotating in their speed only. But through remote, can I control? Little bit.
yes,
In the same way, there suppose some number, assume something here. Here check it. There may be labels also there somewhere. Everything here is there, Vishwa. Here, see, you
Yes.
said labels, right? I think
Yes, yes.
actually somewhere NGRX1 is there. Yeah, just one. Just close it. Control S. It will take care of it automatically.
Okay,
See,
sir.
for running service, I can modify. This is the facility. Edit. Till now, I didn't explain, but at least you asked me. That's why I'm telling. That's what I
Okay.
said. In Kubernetes, I won't leave you. You may leave me or agree with me.
Okay, sir.
Yes. What about Hemant?
Sir,
Have you
hello, sir.
shared, right? Did you share?
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
I'm not able to see your screen. Others? Now it is okay. Now tell me what happened. Yeah, you created 3 replicas. Everything is fine. What happened?
Sir, while when I get endpoints, these three
Okay, and
NDCs are coming. I
yeah,
don't.
good. Any difficulty? Now try to see on the browser. You are not able to see output.
No, sir.
Now show me code first. No, I think no need to use 8082 because of we are using 80 service port, right? Quick
Yes,
observation in the
yes,
service.
yes.
Come down, come down. There, see what is the port?
8.
Port colon. This you need to think.
Okay.
You give a node port, right? Don't give node port. Go for load balancer. That's why you are facing difficulty. Type is you never go with node port. You need to go with load balancer only.
Okay.
Everybody, please do with load balancer only. Don't go with load L capital. In real time, they never go with which one?
Load.
Load balancer,
Yeah.
Vishwa, B capital.
Okay,
That's why
sir.
it said right hand side, every word must be first letter
Capital.
capital, second word first letter capital. And now do it. Now check it. It will work for you. Now something wrong. I think naming convention not matches. Check it. Somewhere yesterday we given label 1, label 2 like that. You use a replication controller. Their selector app NGNX1. Here also see, there NGNX1. There only. Yes, good. Now save it and run it. Remaining areas. One more. There also last
Last one.
at the end selector is there.
Okay.
Yes, good. It may take time for 1 minute. Again rerun. I think that is correct one only. RC. Yeah, good one. You
Yes,
got it.
it's taking.
Now check it for local host only. It will work for you.
Yes, sir. Working.
Got it?
Yes.
Here Kubernetes is very simple. When if you practice per day 4 hours. See, I'm practicing nearly 8 to 10 hours per day. That's why I feel if you ask any question regarding this, within 5 minutes I may give clarity because of I know I am reading like that. Nothing. If you read like that, if you apply like that, you feel also very simple. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
సార్
Yes.
హలో
Ask me.
సార్ చిన్న డౌట్ సార్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనము ప్లే బుక్ ద్వారా విఐ ద్వారా కూడా నోట్బుక్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ వైఎంఎల్ ఫైల్స్ అనేది
Editor, any editor.
ఓకే
See, you got married, you may live. Where you want to live, that is your wish. Okay. ఉండడానికి ఎక్కడో చోటు కావాలి కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో.
ఎస్
అలాగే